Installing new HP brake levers on S1000R. This is a 2017. I've already taken out a 10mm nut here on the bottom. You unscrew this, remove the lever, and then I have the new lever already on there. I'm a little bit ahead of everything. But I'm gonna tighten it back down, put some blue Loctite on there, throw the nut back on. We should be good to go with the first one. One thing to note when you're installing is make sure the plunger for the brake makes it in that hole right there, or else you may have problems riding with the front brake locking up on you when you get about, I've heard about 50 feet down the road or so. So make sure that plunger is in there and it's good to go. Right, this is clutch side on my 2017 S1000R. You can see the micro switches right here. It's this one, and there's one up above it. You want to make sure that whenever you swap this out, you don't want to bend those or break them off, as it can be a pain in the butt to deal with. Also, if your clutch lever is too loose, it may not engage one or both of them. So if you're having problems with your quick shifter or cruise control, it could be you just need to adjust your clutch cable. Alright, so for the clutch side, you're going to need a T25. We're going to need to loosen this, the tension on the clutch cable all the way by pushing that all the way over. And we're going to need a 10mm wrench for that nut right there. Alright, now as you can see, I've got the nut and the bolt out. I've lined, it's kind of hard to see with the lighting in here, but there is a space in that as well that follows along in the clutch cable. So you want to try to line that up so you have as much room as you can with the clutch cable to remove this lever. Once I pull it off, check back. Alright, on some levers you may have to transfer this piece over to the new lever depending on what you have. My HP levers, they've been powder coated white. It's already got it on there, so I'm good to go. Just gotta go ahead and bring this over here. As you can tell, I guess the cable block will fit in there. We'll spin it back over and slide it into place without bending those two micro switches for the quick shifter and the cruise control. Alright, so I've got it partially the way on there. Just wanted to check in, see how these are doing. Looks like the switches are good to go, so I just gotta push it in place and get the bolt and the nut back on there. Put some blue Loctite because the vibrations, you don't want it to come out or come off. Alright, got everything tightened back up. I just did an ops check on the bike. Everything looks good. Unfortunately right now it's really dirty. You want to make sure that you don't have too much wiggle room here. So make sure you adjust your clutch cable. It's good to go. I'd like to install HIDs in the future. I've already got my Moto Dynamic tail tidy in there, fender eliminator. And that's about all I have right now. It's pretty stock. So if you'd like to see more videos and if you have any questions about how to do something on it, just let me know and I'll try to get back to you guys. So just like, subscribe, and let me know if you got any comments. All right, see you later.